so now we are going to eat some breakfast at one of the best rated crepe places here in Lancaster. It's called Rachel's Cafe. All right, so we got sat down right in front of a beautiful picture of Paris.
Wait.
What did you order, honey?
I ordered a latte cappuccino.
No, you did not. That's what she said to the waiter. The waiter was like, what would you like? Cappuccino latte. The waiter's like...
Anyway, it was on the list. Okay, so anyway, it's really good. When I drank it, it's rich in flavor. It was really good. Really.
Oh, I got orange juice, by the way. Haven't tried it yet, but waiting for this amazing crepe with meats in it and eggs and all that kind of stuff.
Oh, it's hot. Really hot. Ow. Oh, wow.
All right, so this basically has like, it has garlic, it has steak. It has garlic, it has steak, it has eggs, it has what else does it have? Cheese. Let's try it. Oh, that's good. Really good. Went ahead and ordered the Nutella hot chocolate to go. Let's try it. It has whipped cream inside and everything, so let's see. And that's good. Very good. It has like this subtle taste of Nutella in it. It's awesome.